Good morning, San Francisco. So this is probably the worst cup of coffee in a hotel I've ever had, but it's coffee. My best. This is day 0 of Dreamforce, so I'm off to the MVP event at the Salesforce Tower. Can't wait. Can we go? A Salesforce MVP is somebody with knowledge and expertise in the Salesforce ecosystem or platform, and also supports lots of people around the world. There's a little bit of Dreamforce we can take a look at now. All kicks off tomorrow, 8 AM, something like that. But yeah, looking good, I'm excited. It's a Waymo self-driving taxi. There's hundreds of them. It's bonkers. And I've seen people in them. I'm not sure I'm brave enough to get in one just yet. But yeah, this is the way the world's going. Where AI is going and taking us, or may not take us, who knows. I think, yeah, when we hit general intelligence of AI, the whole economy is going to change. It's going to be interesting if we do get to that point. But now, the future. Off to the Salesforce Tower to hopefully learn more. That's a tall building. I'm here at Salesforce Tower. Let's go.
We're here! From Wimbledon to Sydney.
Oh, no, he's not.
Oh, look at that.
How are you? How are you? I'm
Good to see you.
Time for some fun. Yep, it's Salesforce Tower. I'm here for the MVP Unconference, and I've got a couple of different sessions. I've got data cloud adoption and best practices, AgentForce use cases and best practices, and user access permissions, and which is, I think it's going to be fun. But first, I need some coffee. Because I need some coffee. I really do. Ah, breakfast, food. Check dreaming! You should be there. Okay, I'm intrigued what they are. Are they edible? I think they are.
They're strawberries.
Oh, here we go. Are they good?
I heard them down there, and they're strawberries. Yeah.
Looks strawberry.
Pretty good.
Okay, the scavenger hunt is on. Okay, this is a scavenger hunt. I don't know what we're looking for. We're looking for clues.
Back again.
So, yeah, 1, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no, scissors. 1, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, paper, access. Oh, 3, yeah.
Okay.
1, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. So yeah, it was a good game.
Yes. But you cheated once.
Oh, there's a winner. There's a winner. This is what you do in the Salesforce Tower.
I haven't seen it rock yet. Wow! You know there's 3 symbols, not 2, right?
Alex, what's your team's name?
Alex, simply.
Give it up for Team Employee! What's your team's name?
It's Big Mouth.
I want to patrol the end of the shoot. All right.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot.
The champion of rock, paper, scissors is Alex. I I've never been to one of these at Dreamforce. Have you been to one?
No.
It's the Salesforce MVP Hall of Fame
Ceremony.
It is the MVP party, which is fab, and it's an amazing venue. Look at this. I now have a spice jar. Don't know how it's going to get home. So that is a wrap for day 0 at Dreamforce and my Salesforce MVP Unconference event at the Salesforce Tower. It was a great day learning more about the Salesforce innovations that are happening, but most of all, had a sneak peek at a new thing coming out in AgentForce, which for me, I think is the most useful thing that has come out from AgentForce to date. Super excited about that. It is being announced tomorrow, which is awesome. Also more stuff around Data Cloud, which is really good. But also just meeting up with all the Salesforce MVPs and getting a state of the Salesforce economy and how it's all working in different countries, which was kind of super interesting as well. But the real work starts tomorrow at day 1 of Dreamforce. So I'm looking forward to the keynote in the morning, as well as going around the expo hall and checking out some of the expo and partners out there and seeing what's going on there. But it's like 5 a.m. or something crazy in London at the moment. So I really need some sleep. So I'm going to go to bed. Ta-da!